Hey friends, if you wish to change the language, region, time, and date in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the time and language tab. To change the time, click on this option. Usually I just set these three options and click on sync now. But if you wish to change the region, turn this off and then you can change the region from here. To set the time manually, you can click turn the switch off, change it, and then change the time here. Okay, and then you can change the languages too. For this, you have to return to the time and language page, click on language and region. The region can be changed from here. For example, I will change it to India. It should have been changed long ago. And you can also add a language. For example, I will add another version of English. So add English Canada, then I click on next and then on install. And I can also change, okay, we have covered all of these. So this is what all you can change here, okay? And lastly, you can also change the regional format. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.